What if all bees disappeared from the earth? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But let's dive into what would really happen if these buzzing creatures vanished from our planet. First off, agriculture would take a massive hit. Bees are vital pollinators, responsible for pollinating around 75% of the fruits, nuts, and vegetables we eat. Without bees, many crops would struggle to reproduce, leading to lower yields and eventually, food shortages. But it's not just farmers who would feel the sting. Our entire ecosystem would suffer. Plants that rely on bees for pollination would decline, affecting the animals that depend on them for food and shelter. This disruption would ripple through the entire food chain, impacting everything from insects to birds to mammals. And let's not forget about our gardens and green spaces. Without bees, these vibrant spaces would lose their color and life. Say goodbye to those beautiful blooms and fresh fruits from your backyard. So, what can we do to prevent this nightmare scenario? It starts with each of us. Planting bee-friendly flowers, reducing pesticide use, and creating bee habitats can all help support these essential pollinators. Because when we protect the bees, we're not just safeguarding their future, but ours too. Remember, the fate of these tiny creatures has a big impact on our world.